Okay, in this video we're going to get a little bit of practice graphing these, predicting what's going to happen without plotting points. So we're going to use the properties that we learned in the last video, and that's if we add or subtract on the outside, it'll shift up and down. If we add or subtract inside, it'll shift left and right, but opposite what you'd expect. So we're starting off with our basic x squared graph here in black, and we're going to graph these graphs right here. So I've got x squared plus 2, x squared plus 2. So the plus 2 is outside the function, and remember outside the function shifts up and down, so this one should shift up 2. So it should be the same picture as x squared, but shifted up 2. Let's see it. Okay, there we see in blue. Same picture, shifted up 2. And the easiest way to see that is to see what happens to this point right here. This is called the vertex. We're going to talk a little bit more about that in the next section. This is the vertex. That's the low point or the high point of a quadratic. And that's going to shift up 2. So that's the easiest way to see where the shift is. Okay, x squared minus 5. X squared minus 5. So again, this is outside the function. Okay, it's not part of the square, outside the function. So this should shift down 5. Down 5. Let's see it. There we go. Oh, we went off the screen just a little bit. Let me see if I can shift this up. There we go. Now you can see it. Okay, so shifted down 5. All right, good. So next two, these are inside the function. See how that looks different? Inside the function, so they're inside of the square, inside the parentheses. So inside the function's left and right, and it's opposite what you'd expect. So this is going to shift by 3, and it's going to go to the left. Okay, it's opposite what you'd expect. Usually positive goes right, but this is going to shift left. So there we go, left 3. Again, you can see that the vertex is shifting to the left by 3, and then we just fill in with the shape that x squared has, that U shape. Okay, and then this one, x squared minus 4, so again, it's inside the function, so it's going to shift left and right. It's going to be opposite what you'd expect, so this would go to the right by 4, and there we have it, shift to the right by 4, and the general shape. All right, now what we didn't look in the last video is that you can actually put these together, and you can combine shifts. Let's say I have x minus 2 squared plus 3. So we can combine shifts. The 3 on the outside is going to take us up 3, and the 2 on the inside is going to take us right 2. So this is going to go up 3 and right 2, or right 2 and up 3, doesn't matter the order. So right 2 and up 3, and that takes us to our new starting point at 2, 3. Okay, so again, right 2 and up 3. All right, so we can combine these shifts together. Let's do one more. Let's say we have x, I'm going to hide this one until we got it done, x plus 1 squared, I got an extra set of parentheses there, minus 4. X plus 1 squared minus 4. See if you can think about that. Where is it going to go? Can you picture it in your head? Okay, so outside the graph shifts up and down. That should be down 4. Inside goes left and right, and opposite what you'd expect. So that should go left 1. So left 1 and down 4. Left 1 and down 4. We'd expect it to be right here. And then fill in with the U shape. Let's see if we're right. There we go. Left 1 and down 4, or down 4 and left 1. And then fill in with the U shape. Okay, so if you're ever stuck, you can always plot points, but you shouldn't have to, because you should be able to predict what these are going to look like just by looking at the numbers in the form of the equation.